This year, we built a mini haunted house for our Halloween party. First, we cut out the templates that I'd created. Then, we glued the templates onto black cardboard paper. Once they're dry, cut out the templates. Then fold where indicated. Next, cut out the window panes. And stick tissue paper onto the inside of the templates. Now it's time to glue all the sections together to make the house. Once that's done, you can secure the house onto a large cardboard base and then add pebbles around the house. We cut some craft sticks in half and stuck them onto the roof, and we used the rest to make a pathway. We also built a fence and some tombstones using craft sticks. And finally, we painted the model black. Once dried, we added some lights inside the house and displayed it at the party. We hope you liked this quick tutorial. Subscribe to our channel for more craft projects.